Viking products are designed for the culinary enthusiast desiring professional quality results. Our signature Viking 5-ply professional cookware is constructed to ensure responsive even heating and easy maintenance. 3 distinct layers of aluminum create a solid core that is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel to deliver even heat throughout the bottom and sides of the pan for consistent results, whether searing, sautéing, or frying. The 1810 stainless interior will not react with food and is easy to clean. Fry pans are also available in non-stick. 5-ply professional cookware features an elegant satin finish and works on all cooktops, including induction. It is oven, broiler, grill, and dishwasher safe. Our signature Stay Cool handle is ergonomically friendly for comfort, balance, and control. Deeper pans include domed stainless lids. NSF certified and handcrafted in the USA, Viking Professional Cookware also carries a lifetime warranty.
Say hello to Gotham Steel Pro, the award-winning, chef-preferred non-stick cookware system. Gotham Steel Pro is the ultimate pan that has world-class durability, is constructed from heavy-gauged, hard-anodized aluminum, has a triple-coated titanium and ceramic-infused non-stick surface, comes with cast stainless steel handles, and has a reputation for transforming what you cook every day into 5-star gourmet. With Gotham Steel Pro, you can sear, sauté, flambe, and even bake to create restaurant-quality meals right at home. It's metal utensil safe and won't scratch. 100% dishwasher safe and PFOA free. It may likely be the last pan you'll ever need. So if you're ready to cook for real, then you're ready for Gotham Steel.
Versatile and durable, made with professional-grade 5.5mm hardened aluminium to provide even and efficient heat distribution, this fry pan will be one of the most used pans in your kitchen. For white fish with lemon and herbs, thoroughly heat the fry pan over medium heat. When cooking with the KitchenAid professional hard-anodized cookware, the 3-layer non-stick interior helps to ensure foods won't stick, especially delicate fish recipes. So, no oil or butter is needed. Cut up a few slices of fresh lemon and add with the fish to the hot fry pan. The stainless steel base stays flat on all cooktop surfaces, including electric, gas, and induction. Using the tempered lid, seal in the moisture. The domed glass allows you to easily monitor cooking at a glance. Gently turn the fish. Toss in your favorite herbs.